Welcome to Nectar Enterprises, manufacturer and supplier of air dryers, air compressors, and industrial valves. The company was established in 1986 at Indore. We are a sister concern of Nectar Pneumatics. Excellent after-sales support, excellent finish, and precise dimensions are the reasons behind our success. We present a unique range of air dryers, compressors, and compressor air oil separators. Oil lubricants, filters, and air filters offered by us are well known for their durability and reliability. Our industrial valves, switches, and gauges are available at industry-leading prices. We also provide tension spring, pipe fittings, pneumatic, and hydraulic systems that are one of the best in the market. Along with that, we offer industrial safety equipment, automobile batteries, and oil lubricants for automobile industry that are highly efficient. We are offering a top-notch quality range of screw air compressors for pharmaceutical industry and fire safety equipments. To get more information, log on at www.nectarinter.com.